So this is a tricyclic compound. These two are bridgehead carbons. So there are three links directly attached to the bridgehead carbons, and this link is not connected to the bridgehead carbons, and this is called as secondary bridge. So this is the fourth bridge. Okay. So numbering we should be start from bridgehead carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 5, 6. Next. So this will become the 7. So here the secondary bridge is having one carbon link. So this is how many primary bridges are there? This is a primary bridge. This is also primary bridge. This is also primary bridge. 3 primary bridges, and this is secondary bridge. Okay. So what is the name of this compound? So these are tricyclic compounds, hence prefix tricyclo should we have to use. And how many atoms are there altogether? 7 atoms are there. So even the secondary bridge atom also should be given numbering. So altogether 7, hence heptane. It is heptane. And we have to mention the links, the number of atoms present in each link. So in this link, so 2 atoms are present, and even in this link also 2 atoms are present. But in this link there is 0 atom. 0 atom. So here in this is the 4th bridge, or else 4th link. So here secondary bridge. So how many atoms are there? So only 1 atom is present. Only 1 atom is present. So here the naming should be given like how we gave naming to the bicyclo compounds. But here on secondary bridge, or else the link related to secondary bridge, so this link it is between which locands? So on locand 3 and locand, between locand 3 and locand 5, so this bridge is present. Hence we have to mention the locands between which that bridge is present. So these locands are written as superscript. That means above this bridge we have to write. Superscript means above that number. If you write anything like this, then it is said to be superscript. So this is the name of this compound. Suppose if the compound is like this. Suppose if this is the compound. If this is the compound, then how to give numbering? So how to give numbering? 1, 2, 3, 4, because this is the larger ring. So 4, 5, 6, 7. So this will become 8. So 8. So tricyclo, 8 carbons are there, hence it is octane. It will become octane. So now the how many here? 1, 2, 3 carbon link. Here 2 carbon link. It is 0 carbon link, and this is one carbon link. Fourth bridge, or else 4th link. So secondary bridge. So here this secondary bridge is present between which locands? On locand between locand 4 and locand 6. So we have to write the set of locands on which between which this secondary bridge is connected. So like this. So this is the name of this compound. So like this, the name of the compound tricyclic compounds can be written. So here it is a tricyclo 3 dot 2 dot 0 dot 1. Okay, so this one superscript is 4 comma 6, because so between these two locands this bridge is present. Between these two locands this bridge is present, and altogether how many atoms are there? 8 atoms are there, hence it is octane. So like this the name of the compound will be. So we will learn the other parts, okay, in the next video. Okay, ma.